Have you ever run into this situation where you just want your extra vocals without any of the background music? To do this simple task, if you use apps like CapCut, you might need to pay for the premium subscription. Today, I'm gonna show you how to separate vocals from music without using any paid tools and get great results. So for the first tool I'm going to show you today is completely free. It's called Vocal Remover. I will drop the link in the description below, so you can check it out based on your needs. This website is basically free to use. I tested out a few days ago, and the results were pretty solid. There's a tiny bit of moddiness, but honestly, compared to having no tools at all, this is way better. You can also see on the left side here, there are tons of other features. There's a separator and a pitch shifter, editor, recorder, and more. And you can also change the language settings right here. If you are interested, feel free to try it out yourself. Now I've prepared an audio sample for you guys. It's an unseparated audio file with vocals and music mixed together. Let's see what this tool can actually do with it. After testing it out, I found that M4A audio files don't seem to work for separation. Alright guys, I've just downloaded an MP3 audio file. Let's check out how well this separation works. Okay, so this is what we get. After the composition, you can see there are two tracks here. One track is labeled music and the other is labeled vocals. You can adjust this however you want. For example, let's first listen to the original unseparated version. That's what it sounds like before separation. Now let's hear what it sounds like after separation. You can totally hear it, the separation quality. It's actually really. Now let's listen to just the vocal tracks. I'd say this is more than good enough, guys. So let's go ahead and hit save. Save the vocal track, and there you have it. This is the separated result. For those of us who work in video production, or anyone who needs to extract vocals from videos or music tracks, this is kind of effect. It's a really solid tool to have. So that's the tool I wanted to share with you today. If you enjoyed this video, or if you have any feedback or thoughts, don't forget to drop a comment below or send me a message. Catch you in the next video. Bye.